Thinking of buying a BMW with the iconic M52 engine or already own one? Here's 5 common problems that you should know about if you like staying ahead of the curve and fixing them before they become an issue. So, cooling, and these issues come in many forms on these cars, from the expansion tank failing to the viscous wearing out and silly things like the plastic bleed screws snapping off for no reason at all, even if you don't touch them, because of brittle plastic. And that is a theme that is followed on throughout these cars and these engines. Water pumps are also another common failure point in the cooling system, and that is because of the plastic bladed impellers that they used. Over time, again, they become brittle, snap off, and you rapidly overheat your car. Now, that isn't the biggest issue. When these engines overheat, they are super sensitive to the heads warping when that happens. That is a big issue. Valve cover leaks is pretty common on every engine, but the causes behind valve cover leaks on the M52s, M50s and even M54s is just simply the plastic gets brittle over time, heat cycles can warp the cover itself, valve cover seals themselves actually just become brittle and hardened over time and don't seal as well as they once did. Next up is the CCV valve or PCV valve, known as the crankcase vent valve or the positive crankcase vent, and that valve sits just under here. You can see it just there in shot, and that typically fails, causing high oil consumption, blue smoke, and it is a common problem on pretty much every BMW straight six, but it is relatively easy to fix. And finally, Vanos Seals. These are pretty common on all of the M series engines, and it's because BMW used Buna rubber rather than Viton, which is what you'll find in most aftermarket replacement Vanos Seal kits. It's not a very difficult job to do, but it is a little bit time consuming and fiddly. I've done it a few times before, and to be fair, if you're a competent DIYer, you can do it. Just don't do it in a dirty environment. So if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. What is your experience with the BMW M52? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.